Welcome to MSE TV Network podcast show. I'm your host, Miss Sam, and I'm reporting for the whole world. Right now, the sentencing has come in for the cop that murdered George Floyd, and the sentencing is 22 years, people, and a half years that he will have to serve and reflect on his action towards taking a citizen of America's life inappropriately. Oh boy, I tell you, I am glad that I feel some type of justice has been served. But I would agree with a lot of people in America that 22 and a half years is not enough, is not justice enough for taking an individual's life unprovoked. Now he's gone. And I feel that I hope on his side, his lawyer, the people who are the prosecutors will appeal, because I strongly believe that the individual that took George Floyd's life should have done a life sentence. That's how I feel. Even 30 years, 40 years, 22 and a half years, he only needs to serve 70% of his sentence. So he could be out in probably 16, 17 years. Is that enough time for what he has done? I don't think so, people. And a lot of people, not only in America, across the world, will agree with how I feel. Not only how I feel, how a lot of us feel. Was justice really served? Now, for all of you that don't know much about MSE TV Network, I would like to inform you what this podcast channel is all about. We are a global entertainment performing arts network. We do movies, talk shows, news, blogs, plays, a lot of stuff. Music. Check us out on MSE TV Network on all social platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe and follow us. You will find a lot of interesting content there that you can enjoy. We also do a lot of conspiracy news as well. So we do the whole package to entertain people all across the world. And now we have added our podcast show, which I will be doing every week. So there's a lot of things going on in America right now. America is unstable with this pandemic. It has taken the lives of many citizens, hundreds and thousands of citizens, and we're still not out of the water yet. Another thing that I'd like to deliberate on is the COVID vaccine. Now, I know a lot of people have taken the vaccine, and then there are some people, for sensible reasons, have not taken the vaccine. A lot of people have taken it, and they only feel little aches and pains, tiredness, stiffness, and then they're fine. Then there's other people that have taken the vaccine, and they are facing unprecedented problems such as constant fatigue, constant tiredness, pains all around their body, fluids around their hearts. And some people have actually died taking the vaccine. I know with Johnson & Johnson, there's a few women that actually passed away from taking it. And then there's others that have taken it and they are fine. So I put in a disclaimer. I'm not trying to put anybody off from taking the vaccine. It's a personal choice, people. It's a personal choice. But for me, I have not taken the vaccine and do not plan to do so because I feel there has not been enough research scientifically. So that is not a chance I'm willing to take. There are other methods in building your immune system to help prevent COVID. Or if you do catch it, it will not be severe and you end up at the hospital on a ventilator. And I just want to say rest in peace for all the people across the world that have lost their lives or family is going through the turmoil of losing their loved ones. Please be strong. We're still not out of the woods. We just have to pray diligently and take care of our immune system. And the way you can take care of your immune system is by a regimen of vitamin C, vitamin D, B12, zinc, especially iron, drinking a lot of alkaline water to purify your immune system and build your immune system. So please do so. Now, the next podcast, I most likely will be interviewing a lot of people like music artists, actors from MSE TV network. We also have a couple of talk shows. I need you to go check it out on YouTube at MSE TV Network. We have a woman talk show called Woman to Woman. It's very empowering, very delightful, very carefree. We also have another woman talk show called Exhale, and that is for the more mature women in age. And we're going to be doing our first show live on Instagram on July 31st next month. So women, if you want to be inspired, if you want to be empowered, if you want to be uplifted and mentored to, make sure you check out both our women talk show, Woman to Woman, which you can go live every month on Instagram or go on our YouTube. We have at least 6 episodes that you can benefit from. And as I said, Exhale Woman Talk Show will be starting July 31st. And I can't wait to see what they bring to the table. Now, we have a couple of movies out, people. Some short, nice movies all across the world. MSE TV Network is just marvelous. They are doing it as a performing arts center right now, giving people the edge, the support, and the ability to demonstrate the inner excellence within them. MSE TV Network is bringing it out right now. We have a team, an acting team from Germany, Hanover. Big up to DJ King Kenny. He's the leader for MSE TV Network for the actors there. They have a couple of movies, starting with The Punisher, the Jenna Home Invasion, also Hard Times, which is a very inspiring movie. People, you've got to go and watch some of the movies. They got another movie which I love called Gangster Cries. Let me tell you, Germany's definitely doing it. And we have several movies coming straight from Jamaica. Yes, the little tiny island of Jamaica have some great talent there. We have some great actors and actresses. Check out some of their movies. The Wolf Pack movie. Let me tell you something about the Wolf Pack movie. It has built up a fan base of followers that are definitely hooked on those short movies. You have Wolf Pack 1, which was done in the United States. You have Wolfpack 2, 3, and 4, which was done in Jamaica. And they've done a marvelous job. And hopefully by next year, we're going to have the last Wolfpack movie, Return of the Pack. I can't wait to see what Jamaica is going to bring. Jamaica also have another movie called Daddy Girl. You've got to watch it. It will leave you at the edge of your seat. And we will be doing a Daddy Girl 2 because the people are crying out for more. December of this year. So people go over to MSE TV Network on YouTube and check Daddy Girl 2. Big up to the overseer of the Jamaican team. Well, one of our Jamaican team in Portmore, Mishka Smith. AKA Kabibi, Mishka Smith. Yeah, you're doing an awesome job, I am telling you. And she's also in charge of the Woman to Woman show, and she's doing a great job. Now, we have Trinidad as well. Trinidad, I tell you, bringing all the way home with their movies. They have 2 movies out so far. Many Rivers to Cross is very touching, very heartfelt and moving. You need to go and watch it. And they have one called Evil Heart. Now that movie is about human trafficking, which is a great problem across the entire world. A lot of women are going through domestic violence and abuse and trafficking and sold and everything. And it's very disturbing. So this movie, I take it very personal. Evil Hearts, people. The Trinidad team. Big up to Steve and Monica from Trinidad. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Now let's get to Africa. Oh my God, we have 3 teams of actors in Africa. We're going to start off with our first team, which is Nigeria. Big up to the Aquadons. They're also music artists within MSE TV and outside of MSE TV. Extremely talented. Yeah, you got Aquadon, you got UC Banton. But they can act. And they have a wonderful team in Nigeria. They have movies such as God Got My Back, Love is Blind, done very well. Voodoo Husband, The African Black Mob, Lust Don't Pay. Let me tell you, Nigeria is a very serious team and take the performing arts very seriously. So big up to Nigeria team. Now our second African team for African movies, for all the African lovers of African movies, Ghana. We have a new team. Ghana done one movie called The Devil in My Bed. Let me tell you, that is something that will blow your mind. Yes? So I need you to go over to MSE TV Network on YouTube and subscribe, like, and watch. And our third African team, very talented. They're one of our new teams from Africa. It's the Sudan team. Yes. Big up to the director out there. Diamond, you done a great job for your first movie. Brought in over 22,000 K views. They done very well. Now, let me tell you something a little bit about this movie that they done. It was called For Better, For Worse, or For Worse. And this movie brought a lot of attention in Sudan. A lot of people was watching it, talking about it, even the government. So you know they done a great job. People, you have to go and watch it. Now, for those who love comedy, we do comedy as well, people. There's nothing that MSE TV network do not have a hand in. Matter of fact, MSE TV network 4 years ago started out in comedy, and it started with me, Miss Sam, and there's a lot of characters, just like with Medea. I got a lot of characters. You got Miss Sam, where I play myself, very hilarious. You got Pinky. Now let me tell you, out of all the characters that I have, I know definitely that Pinky, the one with the pink wig that doesn't care, with the squeaky voice, everybody loves Pinky, because guess what? Pinky doesn't care. Pinky doesn't care. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Pinky, the one with the squeaky voice that just gets herself in a lot of trouble. Yeah, people. So go and check out some of Pinky's comedy on MSE TV network. You will be on the floor. Trust me. Like, share, and subscribe. So that is a little bit about MSE TV network that I'd like people to know. That we take entertainment on a different level. And guess what? We have over 30 countries. And I'm about to bring in another country. I'm about to bring in another country real soon. I'm not saying much. You guys are just going to have to tune in and see. But we're just growing. We are just expanding. But this costs funds. And if you'd like to help out MSE TV network and make a donation, we're not going to pass it up. We're going to welcome it. You can cash app us at MSE TV network, and you can also pal us at MSE TV network. You can also send us a check, yes, at MSE TV network 2616 Tall Maple Loop, Ocoee, which is spelled OCOEE, Florida 34761. Or you can call us and we can take the payment over the phone at 1-407-485-6782. I'm going to say it again. 1-407-485-6782. Give us a call and talk to us. We love to hear from our fans. We love to hear from people all over the world. Now, we are currently recruiting actors all around the world. And if we do not have a team in that part of the world, we will start a team where you come from. We employ and pay people to act for us in our movies. And let me tell you, all our scripts are personally written by myself. So I like to bring a twist to a story. I like to bring reality. Life-changing script, life-changing story that can benefit and change the lives of mankind. A matter of fact, we have a couple of movies that will be coming out between July and December. Now, starting off in July, The Orphanage. We have a youth team because we cannot leave the children, because the children are our future. And we have to empower our young people, give them something positive to do, and bring out their inner excellence that they have within themselves. Let me tell you, people. And MSE TV network endorsed the young people all across the world, starting with Jamaica. They have their first play that waves across the world. The Orphanage play has left people in suspense. So on that note, we got to do Orphanage 2. So I hope you will watch The Orphanage 2 on YouTube And it's going to be out by the second week in July. Yes, big up Aaliyah Brown and Dominic. Big you guys up. Yes, you guys have done a tremendous job. I can't wait to see what you guys have done. And we have two new one of them is new, which is Dream. He is going to be doing some acting for us. I can't wait to see what he's going to bring to the Jamaica team. And then we have TJ, who's well seasoned. Let me tell you something about TJ. If you want to watch him, go over and watch The Black Mob Enterprise, which was one of our first movies that we done. It was two teams that done that movie, the Jamaican team and the American team, and they really brought it. And TJ done a wonderful job. Also, the movie that TJ was in that is sending shockwaves, especially in Europe and UK, because we're getting a lot of feedback, is a movie called Here Comes Judas. You will see him. His character is called Junior. So TJ is in management with Mishka, and he's doing an awesome job. I'm very, very proud of TJ. Big up your damn self. And there's much more. He will be in the Orphanage 2 play. And also he's going to be in Daddy Girl 2. So look out for TJ. I am telling you. And moving right along, we have a new Jamaica team in St. Thomas. Big up St. Thomas, which the film directors is Real Steel and Dan Reno. And they are a power couple. They actually just got married not too long ago in April. Congratulations. I love those two. But they will be bringing two movies. They will be bringing To Have and To Hold, which will be their first movie. I can't wait to see that storyline because there's so much twist in it. You're going to love it, people. Also, they're going to have another movie called The Final Hour. And I don't want to give away too much about The Final Hour, but it's going to make you reflect about what's going to happen across the world before the rapture comes. Yes, so those who are in the church or God-fearing or spiritual, you will like this movie. It will have a lot of twist to it, a lot of reality to it. So make sure you don't miss The Final Hour when it comes out in November. Now, Ghana is going to have a movie called Bad Karma. And this one is based on domestic violence, but it has a twist to it. What can happen when you mistreat people? What is going to be the consequences? And you never expect karma, but karma expects you. Just remember that. So I can't wait. Big up to Vank out there. He's doing a great job in Ghana. So I can't wait to see what his actors and actresses are going to bring to the table. So as I said, they have another movie out right now, Devil in My Bed. Go and watch it, baby. It's going to give you goosebumps. Now, Nigeria, the team that always bring it. Their other movie is going to be a love story called Soulmate. And let me tell you, that definitely has a twist to make your head spin. You hear me, people? And that should be coming out in September. So let me tell you, there's a lot of movies. We're not stop going at it to bring entertainment into your household. Well, as I said, I am Miss Sam, your host. Thank you for tuning in to MSE TV Network podcast show. And I will be speaking to you on a weekly basis. Take care. Please be safe. Wear your mask. Stand 6 feet away. Stay in prayer. Look after your immune system. Okay, people? Take care. God bless.